Hey everybody, it's Dr. Brian Prax, Chronic Care Charlottesville. We specialize in peripheral neuropathy and knee pain. And I just found an article, a research article that was actually written by the Journal of Arthritis Care and Research. This is the official journal of the American College of Rheumatology. This is crucial. It is probably going to revolutionize my practice, how I care for knee pain and other joint related issues. The researchers had previously found that even, in my opinion, small weight loss, even just 10% of overall weight loss equals, get this, 50% loss in pain. And this is specific to the knees. So maybe we need to say, wow, lasers are awesome, trigenics is incredible, decompression is great. If you go the Western model of medicine, surgeries, injections, pain-relieving medications, non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, those need to all move aside, because what seems to be the greatest thing right now for knees is weight loss. So let's think about 10%. Let's say you're about 5'4", you need to weigh about 130 pounds, 120 pounds. Let's say you weigh 200 pounds, okay? And if you were to lose 10% of that weight, that equals 20 pounds, brings you down to 180. You're still not even near where you really should be, but this 10% loss, according to the research, is going to drop your pain by 50%. There's added benefits as well, and I'm going to read it right off here. Participants fared better in terms of pain, function, that means like mobility, able to move around a lot, flexibility. The 6-minute walk distance, you'll be faster as you're more flexible and able to function. Physical and mental health related quality of life is improved. Knee joint compression force and your IL-6, which is a marker of inflammation, is going to go down. Now here's the fascinating thing, and add on to the previous research, found that if you lost not just 10%, but you kept going and you lost 20% of that weight. So a 200-pounder down 40 pounds is going to have an added 25% loss of pain over the 50%, 75% loss of pain, and all the other better functions as well. So this could really revolutionize my practice, and more importantly, if you take this advice and do something to lose weight, you are actually going to reduce your pain in the knees. So as a practitioner and also as a triathlete, I think that exercise is excellent and important, but it turns out that diet, the food that you eat, not necessarily cutting back, but the food that you eat, the type of food that you eat, is the most important. According to the research, diet and exercise. Duh, that makes sense. But what if you're having so much knee pain you can't even move, it hurts too bad? Work on diet. Contact my office if you're interested. We have a weight loss program that's second to none. Compared to Weight Watchers and all the other stuff out there, it's super fast and it's a lot cheaper. In 30 days, our patients are losing anywhere from 15 to 30 pounds in 30 days. That's a half a pound to a pound a day. It's easy. There's the supplements that come along with it that help with cravings, that boost up that metabolism and really get things cranking. So if you mention this video, we'll give you a super good discount. Just contact our office. You can see our contact information below. I will put the article in here as well, but here's the take-home message for knee pain. Lose weight. Do whatever you can, but lose weight. Well, do it in a smart and healthy way. That's the message for today. Hope that helps out. Look forward to hearing your comments below, or call the office about our weight loss program. I'm Dr. Brian Prax. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, I would ask you to hit the thumbs up button to like it. You can share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and please comment below. I will read it and I will respond. Thank you and have a nice day.